Where's this one and it's a fresh one?
This will be the elevator here at the Hampton Inn, Tampa Brandon, in Brandon, Florida. Brand new Schindler 3300s. This hotel just opened early last year. Here we are on the 6th floor. We'll go back down to 1. Here's a look at the cab. This is pretty nice. Very smooth. There are your fixtures, FIGS fixtures. Here we are on 1. Go back up another time. And here we are on 6. I'll send this one down and we'll get a look around and then we'll head down. Like I said, this is a pretty new Hampton Inn, although it's actually not the latest generation of them. It still has the classic Hampton design on the outside. Here's a hallway. Very nice. And anyways, we will head back down. I love that call wreck noise. And it's this one. And here it is. Alright, we'll head back down to 1. We'll listen to the noise it makes as it goes down. I'll be quiet. Listen. This one seems to have a bit of a flat spot on the wheel. I'm gonna get off here. And there it goes. We'll head out and show you something. And if you look out here, here's a look out at the hotel. See, it still is that classic Hampton Inn design, not the brand new redesign. The one in Odessa that is very similar elevators has. And this is probably one of the last ones built with this classic design, and it was time for a change, but long live it. And this is probably one of the last ones ever built with this style. But anyways, that is gonna be it.